how to go live on TikTok PC. So if you want to go live on your TikTok PC, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, you need to go with your search and search for TikTok. After searching, just simply go with www.tiktok.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. And once you've logged into your account, you need to just simply go with live, which will be on the left side. Once you click on the live, it will take you to your TikTok live feed. Or you can also just simply search for tiktok.com/live and log into your account, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with go live, which will be on the left side. And let me tell you that you can't go live on your browser. You need to have an application, which is TikTok Live Studio. So you need to just go and download your TikTok Live Studio. You can go with download for Windows right here, or just simply go with download, which will be in the top right. Once you click on download, it will start the downloading process, and you will have your TikTok Live Studio like this, and you'll be able to start your live on your TikTok Live Studio. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.